I'm Darian, and I am a maintenance choreographer with Disney Live Entertainment. What inspired me to attend my first Disney audition was actually a trip that I took with my friend to Walt Disney World. And we came down here, and I think I was a freshman in college, and we went to Disney's Animal Kingdom, and I saw the Festival of the Lion King. And I just remember sitting in that audience and watching the performers and thinking, I have to do that. That was a goal for me, and I think within a year of working here, that goal became reality. And being able to perform in that show is still, to this day, one of my favorite accomplishments. As a performer, you grow up and you have this idea of what your career is going to look like. And being able to work here at Disney, there are things that I've gotten to do that I could have never even dreamed of doing, and places that I've been and people that I've worked with that I just would have never thought possible. When I see the final product and I get to see the guests reacting to something that I worked on, I don't think that there is a word that can describe what that feels like. It will always bring me so much joy. It's always so rewarding to be able to sit in that audience and see people smile at something that I got to work on. The advice that I would give to performers who are hoping to pursue a career at Disney would be to go for it. One thing that we cherish is just that spirit and drive. You can come here and be different. You can just decide, oh, I just want to come and make someone smile, and Disney has a place for that.